Okay, so we're going to add two consecutive integers, um, and the smaller integer and triple the larger integer, their sum is 79. What are the two integers? So you could certainly guess and check, or just add like 18 plus 3 times 19 and see if that gives us 79. And if it doesn't, try the next pair. If you want to see a more mathematical way of doing it, consecutive integers, so like 18, 19, 19, 20, you could write them, the general version would be n, and then n plus 1. That would be two consecutive integers. Okay, and so in here we just have to then triple the larger integer, so triple this one. So we'd have n, if we add the two integers and triple the second one, it'd be n plus 3n plus 3. If we distribute that, so we'd have 4n plus 3, and that would then need to equal 79, and then we could just solve that. So minus the 3 would give us 76, and then divide by 4, and I think that would be 19. So our two integers would be 19 and 20. And we could just check that just to make sure. So if we do 19 plus 3 times 20, that'd be 19 plus 60, and that would be 79. So looks like 19 and 20 are going to be the correct pair of integers.